Natural Path Kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. We're still in the pumpkin mode right now because it's fall. It's the pumpkin time of year. Everything's pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin spice, pumpkin. So I'm doing pumpkin. And today I'm making a no-bake keto pumpkin cheesecake mug cake. It's no-bake. It's absolutely delicious. Great for when you're craving that cheesecake but don't want to make a whole cheesecake and you don't want to bake it. So in here we have 60 grams of cream cheese, around 2 ounces, and we also have 60 grams or 2 ounces of heavy cream. It's been in the refrigerator. You have to beat this while it's cold because you want to make like whipped cream. So the bowl is cold, the ingredients are cold, and we're gonna whip it. Now you want to whip it till it's light and creamy. It won't add too much volume because the fat in the cream cheese stops the whipped cream, the heavy cream from whipping. So to that, you're going to add, if you're using granular or powdered sweetener, add about 1.5 tablespoons of powdered sweetener. Again, depending on how sweet you like it. I don't like things sweet. I will be adding French vanilla, better stevia, and not too much because I don't like it very sweet. We're going to add to that 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. I make my own. I'll link to my pumpkin pie spice. And a tablespoon of pumpkin. And you're going to whip this up really well. So it's all incorporated. Now I like, these are part of my mother and father's wedding dishes. The set that they got, this is 77 years old now. So when I really want something special, I use mom's dishes. So we're going to put this in her cup. Now I said this was going to make 2, and I would make 2 out of it since we don't eat dairy all that much, but right now I'm going to put it all in 1 cup so you can see it better. Now you can eat this right away. Since it's a no-bake, you can make this ahead of time, store it in the refrigerator. Pumpkin cheesecake mug cake. Oh, this is so good. And now I'm not sure I'll ever make a whole cheesecake again.